Yo, before we start the video, I just want to say, make sure you are subscribed with the push notifications on. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. And for a shout out, make sure you like the video. Make sure you are already subscribed. And comment done when you are done. The Mexican is getting naked right now. What's poppin', everyone? If you are new here, I'm Preston, the Mexican's inside. I'm inside my dead car right now because, you know, I haven't started it in 2 weeks, and with it being massively cold, it killed my battery somehow because it's a truck battery and in my car. So now I got to figure out if I want to pop start it or drive the van over here and start it that way. Either way is going to be difficult because pop starting this car is a little difficult, and my jumper cables are dead, or suck. They do. So with that said, it's a good start to the video already, even though it's like 6 o'clock at night already. So with that said, once we do get the car running, we're going to Zack's house to watch The Walking Dead. So I'm going to figure out what I plan on doing to get my car started. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought. It only took 10 seconds.
You did that?
No.
It was the one that was standing up on the stand.
I know.
I didn't know if you needed it.
But whatever. It's kind of my fault for leaving it be for 2 weeks. So now we are officially on our way to Zack's. Got my underglow on too. I'll probably keep it on. Psych, just kidding. I probably won't have it on the highway. But when I'm not on the highway, I usually have it on at night. There's no reason to have it on during the day. So let's go have a little bit of fun.
Eventually.
Alright, now we at the infamous Zachary's house. Or Zachariah, however it...
It's Zachary. My brother is Zachariah.
I don't know. There's several different ways to say Zack. So we're at his house now. I don't...
One of our toys.
Oh. So, let's go have fun. So what happened?
Oh,
You shot me in my ass!
She's got
Where?
on her ass.
Right here!
Where?
Right here! You really have a mark on you? Yep.
Oh, kinky.
Ooh,
Don't go shooting people today.
Get it done.
Okay?
I'll bring out the big gun that's in the closet.
What's that?
The LMG.
I thought you sold that.
I have another one.
Oh, nice.
I don't even. The funny thing is, I don't think they realize I have to open that door and I just shoot it through the fucking wall. Full light.
Do I want to know why you use it?
While I
Well,
play,
I caught up on Walking Dead. Now it's time to watch the other episode. And we just played a little bit of zombies.
Is it really like 9?
Mm-hmm. It's 9:30.
Hey, what's up, world?
Shut up. So,
Hi.
Zach, were you intentionally trying to make pancakes when you were stirring the Bisquick?
Oh, I was. You know it.
What?
Oh, I was. You know it.
Anyone want to play Infinite Warfare? I'll tell you what my gamer tag is. If you like the video, comment down below and make sure you're subscribed.
Who's doing it? Mine?
Mine?
Oh, I don't give people mine.
Say, why the hell would I share yours? You suck.
Who goes down a lot? You.
I'm not talking about zombies.
You suck.
I'm talking about full-on out multiplayer. Really?
Yo, that's why I try keeping the darts away from you all. You know what's funny?
Really? I will have Trump deport you.
Oh, that was cool.
6.5 hours later.
Well, that was fun over at Zack's house. Mexican there's tired as hell. Mainly because she has no idea what to do. Just kidding, she's just a puss. Puss in boots. But now that we're home, I'm hungry. So I'm looking for something to eat. Not finding anything. Yeah, I'm not finding anything yet. That's only one of like 5 places that we keep food. Thing is, I'm looking for something that sounds good. I'll get back to you after I find something.
12 seconds later.
I found it! I'm eating pie. Told you I'm eating pie. Just kidding. It's actually apple pie. Slice it, slice it, slice it. You want to see something really funny? Do you want to see something funny?
No.
Moist.
You're disgusting. It's an awkward word. I'm too tired to care.
You know, when you're finished cutting that, the knife is pretty moist. She's gonna stab me. Ready? Ready? I love doing that because half the time the cat runs right into a wall. Kind of like that, she just ran into my foot. So, let me eat that and then I'll get right back to you. Alright guys, that's going to be the vlog for the day. I got my Bailey with me. She makes out better than the Mexican. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. We had a lot of fun today. If you're not a part of the Fox Squad, you suck! You can unsuck by smashing the subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash the push notifications button. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. The Mexican is getting naked right now, which I'm half tempted to turn the camera around. No, just kidding. You really think I'd show you that? You really think I'd show you that? You're funny. But I love you guys. Still have Bailey drool on my chin. Asshole. Oh, look at that butt. Bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Now we're gonna have a 3-way with the dog.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
So, with that said, we love our dog very much. But, all jokes aside, I'm tired. Can't really see the clock. But it says 1:39. 1:39. I will catch y'all tomorrow. And tomorrow should be lit as well because we're spending the day with Zack again. Save me. Just kidding. I love you guys. I will catch y'all tomorrow. And take it easy, fam. Peace. Just a quick reminder to everybody who's subbed and even not subbed. Tell your friends, tell your family, even tell your enemies about this channel. That way we can kick it off and start getting some subs going. Because you never know. We might be the next Logan Paul. Peace out. She's sleeping right now. You want to see? I lied.
Completely separate to its basic elements and just return to nature.
Oh no! The beast awakes.
Took a nap in my room. I pushed down to Vegas like a cocoon. Laid down a caterpillar and woke up a
Oh,